There is a very big Bitcoin warning signal flashing right now. Bitcoin is getting a small rejection from the first, a significant level of resistance. The Bitcoin search volume has been skyrocketing, hitting a new year all-time high. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What exactly is going to be next after this ever so slight correction for Bitcoin in that short term? We need to be having a look into what's history, this CME gap, price discovery, and a significant news event that is about to come out today. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into a short term. And yes, yesterday Bitcoin has actually been getting an ever so slight correction back towards the downside after hitting this very significant level, the 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance, and also this 1.272 level Fibonacci level of resistance. Both very significant levels of resistance exactly confluencing at that 90k level. And yes, while the Bitcoin funding rates have been very high yesterday, we have indeed been seeing some liquidity getting shaken out, some positions getting shaken out, and an ever so slight correction back towards the downside. Now, of course, this is nothing all too significant. It was literally a 5% move towards the downside after like a 20% move towards the upside. So yeah, if we're just going to be zooming out, this is absolutely nothing which we have been seeing. And in my opinion, a little bit of a correction back towards the downside is exactly what has been needed. Anyways, because of this correction, yes, the Bitcoin funding rates are back again towards the neutral levels. So this is already, first of all, looking very good. We are back at the 0.01% mark. Yesterday, we were sitting on some exchanges at the 0.1% mark, which is very high. But all of this liquidity has already been shaken out by this dump, which we have been seeing. This is a very good signal, which we are seeing right now in the market. And because of this signal, yes, while we are seeing a very big warning signal, all right, we are seeing a double top being formed, like you can be seeing from of that 90k level of resistance. We have been forming our first top, and right here our second top. Right now we are coming back towards a level of support, while this pattern which we are forming right now is definitely a very bearish pattern for Bitcoin. I think it is going to be a massive trap. I think we should not be getting fooled by this pattern. Why? Because if we're going to be having a look into historical data, this clearly shows us that we actually want to be buying right now and that we should not be getting fooled. Now, yes, a lot of people are once again talking about this Bitcoin CME gap down below us, but like I have discussed already, a few days ago that this Bitcoin CME gap down below over here is going to be a massive trap, and that we are just going to be moving even higher, just like you can be seeing in this screenshot over here. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what historically exactly happened during this huge rallies towards the upside, well, this was during the last bull market, during our big rally from the previous all-time high towards that 40k level. All right, this move over here happened very quickly. This is on the 2-hourly time frame, and you can clearly be seeing that each and every single time Bitcoin has been forming a base, and after grabbing some liquidity down below this level over here, that initial base over here, after grabbing that liquidity down below, then we initiated that next rally towards the upside. Right here, we did the same exact thing, formed a downtrending resistance line, and whenever we broke above, we initiated the next rally towards the upside. This has been happening time and time again. Grab that liquidity down below. So I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a liquidity grab down below and then once again move up towards the upside. This is exactly what usually happens during a bull market. Okay, you have to keep in mind that just like I've been explaining for the past couple of days, the Bitcoin trend to the upside right now is just very strong. I would not be betting against it. So yeah, just watch the historical data, watch the historical facts, have a look into this consolidation over here, and do not become too bearish right now. Anyways, yes, today another very significant news event is about to happen. Today we are about to be getting our inflation rate again, it is expected to come in a little bit higher again. This is of course going to be bearish for the markets, but this is already priced in. The consensus and forecast is that we are going to be coming in at 2.6%, but the previous one has been 2.4%. So this is going to be the first time since March that the inflation rate is going to be coming in higher again. This is going to be bearish for the markets, but like I have said, this is already priced in the markets. So no need to be worried about this. And of course, if the actual data is going to be coming in lower than expected, well, all of the markets are going to be pumping like crazy. If it is going to be coming in higher than expected, well, all of the markets are going to be seeing a significant correction. So let's see what the actual data is going to be. Anyways, Q4 right now is still very, very bullish. We have seen a 37% gain. Like we have been expecting. Well, I've been saying many times, Q4 is about to be very bullish for Bitcoin. And yes, we are seeing great gains right now being made. In November, we are up 25%. But of course, the average has been plus 44%. So still we can be moving a lot higher. Anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading this imminent short term right now, because very good opportunities are right now coming up during these high times of volatility, you want to be trading, because this is the best time to be making money with trading Bitcoin. So guys, if you're going to be getting interested, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be trading Bitcoin with no KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading Bitcoin and altcoins. And the best thing is, with that link down below, you can right now be getting a $10,000 USDT deposit bonus, which is going to be completely withdrawable. So yeah, make sure to be checking it out if you are going to be interested in trading. And also make sure to be checking out this trading competition that Blofin is right now hosting, the War of Whales, which has a $1 million prize pool. So definitely huge rewards about to be claimed. And with that link down below, well, you automatically join my team. So we are in it to win it. Huge rewards right now available. And guys, if we're going to be having a look into the gold chart, well, Bitcoin is exactly repeating history from off the gold chart, like you can be seeing over here. The chart structure is looking exactly the same. Bitcoin is exactly repeating history. And right now we are in this exponential bull run phase. So yeah, gold in that imminent short term has actually been seeing a little bit of a dump towards the downside. So this is crazy, because Bitcoin has literally been going parabolic right now to the upside, while gold has been seeing a correction towards the downside. But anyway, still Bitcoin is following gold in that longer term, and we are still going to be having many and many Bitcoin targets sitting at significant levels above us. Of course, the first target is going to be that 100k level. The second target is going to be the second Fibonacci level of resistance, which is going to be coming in at the 110k level. And then after that, we need to be having a look into what's our bull flag breakout, which the target is sitting at the 150k level. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.